Friend, this is a very famous people we are see there. So those are people who are entrepreneur and they are set example. So please you can follow these all people, their lifestyle, their routines, their diet, their uh, living life, their enjoy moment with family. So this is a very good example to all of you guys. So first text name, this is a Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, Jack Ma, Larry Ellison, Elon Musk, Larry Page, Warren Buffett, Bernard Arnold, Carlos Slim. Those are hard. So please, this is my request. You follow this thing, okay?